Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So we are learning the chapter 6, that is bones, joints and muscles. In the pre in the previous videos we have learned about the skull, the case, the limbs and also the spine. Today we will talk about joints in our skeleton or joints in our body. So first we have to understand what is joints. So a point at which two or three bones meet. Okay, in our body, in the skeleton, there is a point where two or three bones meet together, and this point is known as joint. Again, what is joint? Where two or three bones meet together. Now there are so many different types of joints. Two types of joints: immovable joints and movable joints. Okay, immovable joints and movable joints. So if we will talk about immovable joints, means fixed joints which can't move, and this joints we can get in our facial bones and the bones of brain box. As already I told you, in the skull all the bones are fixed, only lower jaw bone can move. So these are the fixed bones. Now movable bones which can move or which can do the movement. So these are known as movable joints. Movable joints like shoulder, hip joints, knee, elbow, ankle, wrist. Okay, these are the movable joints. Now we will learn about types of movable joints. There are four types of movable joints. Like first one is ball and socket joint, second is hinge joints, third is pivot joints, and fourth is gliding joint. We will learn about one by one each and every types of. Now first we will talk about ball and socket joint. Okay, ball and socket joint. So there are the example of ball and socket joints are shoulder joint and hip joint. So this is a joint in which a ball shaped surface of one rounded bone fits into the cup like depression of another bone. You can see in picture in both type of joint, either it is a shoulder or hip. A ball shaped surface of one rounded bone fits into the cup like depression of another bone. This type of joint is known as ball and socket joint. Okay, and we can move our hands and legs in all direction with the help of this type of joint. Now if we will talk about shoulder joint. So the shoulder joint, the ball of hand bone is fitted into the socket of shoulder bone. Okay, how this shoulder joints make? First, the ball of our hand. Okay, you can also feel when you keep your hand on the on your shoulder, you can feel the joint. So when the ball of hand bone is fitted into the socket of the shoulder bone, and it makes to move freely. You can easily move your shoulder and hands with the help of this ball and socket joint in the shoulder joint. Now next example if we will take, that is hip joint. Okay, hip joint. So in the hip joint, the ball of femur bone, you know the femur is the thigh bone and it is the longest bone of the skeleton, human skeleton. So the ball of femur bone is fitted into the socket of hip bone. Okay, the ball of femur bone is fitted into the socket of the hip bone that makes it move freely. We can move our with the help of this joint, we can move our leg freely or thigh freely. Now next type of joint we have hinge joint. Okay, hinge joint. So knee joint and elbow joint are the hinge joints. They are called as the knee joint and the elbow joint are known as hinge joints. And this joints help us to fold our hands. Okay, fold our hands and legs in only in one direction. Okay, as if you fold your elbow, you can only move your elbow to the upside, not the downside. And also the, if we will talk about knee, so knee also you can move to the back side, not the front side. So hinge joints, with the help of hinge joints we can move only in one direction. Knee joints and elbow joints are the example of hinge joints. Now next we have pivot joints. Okay, so we all know that skull move on the top of the first vertebra, which is known as the atlas. In the rib cage I told you what is atlas. Atlas is the first vertebra. Okay, so on this vertebra our skull is connected. On atlas our skull is connected, so our skull moves on, you can also feel, so skull moves on the top of the first vertebra, which is known as atlas, and this joint is known as pivot joint. Okay, and this joint help us to move our head in all direction, like forward, sideways, up, downward, except backwards. Okay, we can move our head forward, uh, up, side, both sides, but we can't move our head to the downwards. Okay, downwards, back side. We can move our head downwards to the front side, but not to the back side. So pivot joint where our skull is connected, skull bone is connected to the atlas. This is joint is known as pivot joint. Now gliding joint. Okay, gliding joint, a gliding joint allows smooth and easy movement, and we can turn our wrist or ankle, bend our back easily due to this joint, like ankle, wrist joint, and between vertebral bones. Okay, this gliding joint, where we can find this gliding joint, on a we can find this gliding joint on our wrist as well as on our ankle. We found the ankle on our leg. So with the help of this gliding joint, this joint allows smooth and easy movement, and also this joint found in vertebral bones. Okay, the first vertebral, that is atlas, there it is found the pivot joint, but remaining in vertebral bones we can find the gliding joints. Now we have to talk about tendon and ligament. Okay, what is tendon? You can first picture, you can see tendon, the tissue that join muscles to bone. Okay, that tendon is a tissue which join muscle to a bone. Okay, again I am repeating, tendon, the tissue that join muscle to a bone is known as tendon, and ligament, the tissue that join bone to bone. Okay, the tissue that join bone to bone is known as ligament. You can understand with the things, if you have to attach two things to paper, you just take a sellotape and attach both paper with the sellotape. So same, if muscles and bone has to attach with one another, so how? So there is a tissue which attach muscles to bone, that is also that is called as tendon. Okay, now when the tissue join bone to bone, this is known as ligament. So tendon is a tissue which join muscles to bone, and ligament is a tissue which join bone to bone. So today we have completed most of the portion. We will meet in the next video for the same chapter. Till thank you.